So finally, four biggest off-campus mass hiring is coming. Two hiring is remote job and one of the best thing is this is only for freshers internship. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थिंग ये तुम समझ गए. एंड टू बिगेस्ट हायरिंग इज कमिंग फ्रॉम, वन इज फ्रॉम मैट प्लस एंड वन इज फ्रॉम विप्रो. ट्रेनी का रोल होने वाला है भाई. बिगेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी, मास हायरिंग होने वाली एंड पैकेज इज बिटवीन 6 to 8 LPA. बट अंडरस्टैंड द क्राइटेरिया बिकॉज criteria is not mentioned in the website and you have to understand each and everything. प्लस रेज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्टिंग कैसे होगी, हर चीज़ को अच्छे से समझना है क्योंकि इसमें रिमोट जॉब भी होने वाली है, इंटर्नशिप भी होने वाली है. बिकॉज देयर इज रिमोट जॉब, देयर इज एन इंटर्नशिप, देयर इज एन फुल टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अच्छे से समझ लो बिकॉज एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. बिकॉज क्योंकि तुम्हें हर चीज़ समझना जरूरी है. राउंड्स वगैरह सब समझो तभी अप्लाई करना, वरना भाई सिलेक्शन नहीं होने वाला. अच्छे से समझ लो, बिगेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है. डोंट लेट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गो. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. फर्स्ट गो एंड subscribe our channel. This is one of the main thing you have to do. तभी तो तुम्हारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज पहुंचेगी. अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट गेट टू सी एनी अपॉर्चुनिटी इफ यू नॉट सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. फर्स्ट गो एंड वॉच दिस वीडियो. ज्यादा नहीं बोलूंगा, टाइम वेस्ट होगा. जाओ अप्लाई करो इसके लिए. सो फाइनली मैड प्लस इज डूइंग मास हायरिंग फॉर द रोल ऑफ फ्रेशर बिकॉज ट्रेनी सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर रोल होने वाला है फ्रेशर का. But understand each and everything. First is apply now button, then other button is download hall ticket, and then application status and withdrawal application. I will tell you how to apply, how to download hall ticket, each and everything. Just please watch till end because 50 position is there Hyderabad location, and your test date will be 20th April and CTC is 6 LPA plus 2 lakh bonus. Total 8 lakh का पैकेज होने वाला है. So please understand eligibility first. Bachelor degree in BE BTech Computer Science, Master degree in Computer is eligible. Means BCA MC is also eligible. ME MTech BE BTech is eligible. And the main thing is Computer Science, IT, Software Engineering, Electronic branches is eligible. And year of graduation is 23, 24, 25 batches eligible. Means all freshers are eligible. No need of experience. And selected candidate will be required to join 6th May. Extension of joining date may not be possible. तो May में joining हो जाएगी, but we have to go from the different phases which is eliminations round. We have to focus on that first. See, Java और Python ये दो प्रोग्रामिंग मांगे, दोनों में किसी एक का नॉलेज होना चाहिए. एंड वेब डेवलपमेंट स्किल्स इज रिक्वायर्ड मींस मैंडेटरी बोलेंगे क्योंकि ये बहुत इजी होता है. लॉजिकल रीजनिंग स्किल इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. इज कंप्यूटर साइंस फंडामेंटल इंक्लूडिंग डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिथम डेटाबेस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज मैंडेटरी. मींस डेटाबेस आना ही आना चाहिए, या तो MySQL या तो PostgreSQL or DBMS. You should add these domain in your resume to get shortlisted because but maybe I think this is direct test hiring because application process is date of written test is 20th April. You have to first click on apply now, and based on application received candidate will be shortlisted. Yes, there is shortlisting, so they will inform you by 15th April you are shortlisted or not. Then shortlisted candidates should download the hall ticket from this website. It means you have to click on this to download the hall ticket. Then to gain access to the examination venue, the candidate must bring a printout of the hall ticket. You have to take the printout not in a PDF format. You have to take printout with ब्लैक एंड वाइट चल जाएगी, फिर उसके बाद तुम्हें अंदर जाने मिलेगा. एंड द वन ऑफ द नेक्स्ट बिगेस्ट पॉइंट इज कैंडिडेट नीड्स टू ब्रिंग एनी वन ID प्रूफ लाइक आधार पैन कार्ड टू एग्जाम हॉल. अदरवाइज यू नॉट एबल टू गेट इनटू द हॉल. एंड बेस्ड ऑन द परफॉर्मेंस इन द एग्जामिनेशन selected well listed candidate will be noticed and second round will be there which is technical and HR round. In person interview होने वाला है. in office maybe they will conduct at the same day because round 1 is there written test 90 minutes. See, first of all thing बेसिक मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस होंगे, ठीक है. कोडिंग असेसमेंट होंगे, 2 राउंड मतलब 2 प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी जो कि वन ऑफ द बेस्ट और इजी थिंग होने वाली है. सेक्शन ए सेकंड सेक्शन जो होने वाला है सूडो कोड से रिलेटेड है, तो वो कर लोगे तो बहुत इजी होने वाला है. एंड सेकंड राउंड इज देयर टेक्निकल एंड HR असेसमेंट. मींस राउंड ये इंटरव्यू राउंड होने वाला है, नॉट असेसमेंट. शॉर्टलिस्टेड सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट विल बी नोटिफाई थ्रू ईमेल और कॉल्स. तो मे बी दे विल कंडक्ट एट द सेम डे रिटन टेस्ट और technical interview, so you have to prepare both. And your location will be Hyderabad St. Theresa Secondary School and address is given there. You have to note that address and map is also there to navigate to location. और CTC देख लेते हैं. 6 LPA 2 lakh बोनस होने वाला है. 2 years का बॉन्ड होगा. एंड इफ यू ब्रेक द बॉन्ड देयर इज द पेनल्टी. बट नो नीड टू ब्रेक दिस बॉन्ड बिकॉज 2 ईयर का तो होना ही चाहिए आफ्टर, अगर फ्रेशर हो तो आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यू शुड नॉट, यू मस्ट हैव टू एटलीस्ट वर्क 1 to 2 ईयर इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तभी तुम्हारा एक एक्सपीरियंस माना जाता है। तो ऑल द सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट्स विल बी एलिजिबल फॉर एनुअल परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल लीडिंग टू सुटेबल सैलरी इंक्रीमेंट एट द एंड ऑफ द फर्स्ट ईयर। बात समझो, इंक्रीमेंट भी होगा, मीन्स 2 साल के बॉन्ड के अंदर तुम्हारा इंक्रीमेंट भी होगा, 6 to 8 LP इजिली मिल जाएगा। And Madhapur, Hyderabad is your work location, full-time work from office only. So first you have to click on apply now. You have to fill each and every detail, passport size photo. Then you have to come here. ये तुम्हें ग्रे दिख रहा है, but when you apply successfully, this button enable and you can click in this button and download your hall ticket. Then you can see application status here and no need to withdraw application. I know no one can withdraw, so don't click in this button. So apply as soon as possible because your test date will be 20th April. You have much more time to prepare for this because you have to prepare for both written test and for interview and HR round also. Next biggest hiring is coming from Wipro. Wipro is hiring for the role of trainee engineer, which is absolutely for freshers, but one of the main thing you have to understand is here is not written any degree, so we can't say this hiring is for non-tech or tech, but if you read responsibilities you get to see the, if you read this responsibility you get to know that these responsibilities are related to business field, and if you come here to design and execute, you read this, you get to know this is related to software developer, means IT role, and if you read this is like customer support type का होगा, ठीक है। तो ये एक मल्टीपल लोकेशन के लिए होने वाली है because the purpose of this role is to prepare test case and perform testing of the product, means you can read this। अगर तुम ये रीड करोगे तो तुम्हें खुद पता चलेगा ये एक IT रोल होने वाला है। सो तुम्हें इसके लिए अप्लाई करना है, बट इसके लिए ज़्यादा कुछ चीज़ें मेंशन नहीं है। सो प्लीज़ अप्लाई फॉर दिस हायरिंग इफ़ यू आर अ फ्रेशर, सो अप्लाई फॉर दिस हायरिंग एंड प्लीज़ ऐड IT डोमेन इन योर रेज्यूमे टू गेट शॉर्टलिस्ट बिकॉज यू हैव टू रन द टेस्ट केसेस, you have to write the test cases also, you have to do code execution, so please add IT domains in your resume. If you are an engineering student, so please apply for this hiring, but before applying update your resume, add industrial domain, computer science fundamentals, then apply for this hiring. And no need to take referral, but if you can take referral, so please take referral also, you will get to see the benefit, but if you not get the any response from the employer, so please apply manually as soon as possible. The next biggest hiring is coming from Web Boost Solution by UM. This company is giving 100% remote job for the role of full stack web developer intern. This is an internship for the pursuing candidates. You can see here 3-month duration of an internship and the deadline will be tomorrow. See, your deadline application is 24th March. ये कल बंद होने वाली है. Tomorrow is the last day, so please apply as soon as possible. And this is full time based on performance. You have to get the stipend also, and with a certificate of internship, LOR, everything you will get to see in this hiring. So please see, stipend is 7,500 to 15,000 based on performance, and it is paid internship, and currently enrolled or recently graduated, means 26, 27, 25 and 24, 23 batches eligible. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, any one of framework, front-end framework you have to add in your resume, and this is must skill. You must have knowledge of Node.js, React.js and database also, because the role of this hiring is full stack development. And see, hands-on web development experience, a certificate, LOR, build your portfolio with real projects, submit your application by 24th March. Tomorrow is the last date. This is an remote internship. You can see here remote is written there, and this is an internship for the pursuing candidate. You redirect to the Google form, and please fill this form as soon as possible. When you click on submit, maybe there is more field like resume and other education details you have to fill. Please submit this form as soon as possible because tomorrow is the last date. Please apply this hiring. Only 6 hours ago this is posted. Last and the least biggest opportunity is coming from direct for consumer full stack development internship होने वाली. This is also full stack development internship. This is also 3-month duration internship, and this is also a paid internship. This is paid internship, 3-month duration, remote location is there, and your required domain is React.js, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, means you must have knowledge of OneStack, and you can see a real world project. पर्क तो बहुत सारे हैं भाई, टेंशन नहीं लेना है. And final year and pre-final year means 25 and 26, only 25 and 26 batches eligible, so please apply as soon as possible. To apply, submit your portfolio, resume, LinkedIn profile along with a brief note about a Nest backend project you have built. See, if you not have knowledge of Nest.js, do one thing. You are a final year and pre-final year student. Means you are pursuing degree and you are a fresher, absolute fresher. You don't have an experience and no need of experience in this hiring. So do one thing, go to GitHub and type basic backend Nest.js project and download their project, add in your GitHub, and please deploy in Vercel, which is absolutely free. You can deploy any Nest, React, Next.js, AngularJS project in one click. So please do one thing, जाओ ये कर लो जो मैंने तुम्हें कहा है. You can't think this will give you benefit. तो जाओ, click on easy apply. You can see 20 hours ago this is hiring is posted, so please apply as soon as possible. I already told you 2 remote job plus a paid internship for pursuing our graduate candidates, so please apply as soon as possible. And please go register for Med Plus, download hall ticket and be prepared with your written test as well as interview. तो भाई चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, व्हाट्सएप चैनल को ज्वाइन करो, टेलीग्राम ज्वाइन, प्लीज़ ज्वाइन टेलीग्राम, व्हाट्सएप चैनल ज्वाइन आवर चैनल, हिट द बेल आइकन बटन, डोंट मिस एन अपडेट, जस्ट अप्लाई फॉर ऑल हायरिंग. बस यही हमारा काम है. अब वो रिवर्ट बैक आए ना आए हमें मतलब नहीं है, जस्ट अप्लाई फॉर द ऑल हायरिंग. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.